In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Keep. So what you need to do, come on here, type in Google Keep. So install it from your Play Store, Apple Store. So Google Keep helps you to be able to keep track of your activities, your schedules, and all of it. So you can come on here, you can use it as a note. You get, so if you type on this, you can be able to come on here and add up a title, then add up a note you love to set. So you can also pin it. You can pin it. You can set reminders. You can archive it as well if you want, and you can select how you want it to appear. That is the background. So there are lots of things you can also do with Google Keep. You can also delete it if you want. You can make a copy, you can send, you can do all of this. So you can still come on here from the reminders. This is the reminder option. You can also create a new label if you want, you get, and you can also, okay, this is the settings. You can see different options you can adjust from your own preference. Then you can also see this bin option. If you have deleted something, you're going to be able to find it here in the recycle bin. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe.